Hello guys, so today we are going to be opening up some scissors, just kidding now. We have a Poopsie slime surprise unicorn crush. So we got the bath bomb right here, and then we have the unicorn slime. Okay, I'm gonna get like a tray out, or a plate, because I cannot see a tray in there, so I have a plate. And so I guess I'm just gonna split these two. It's blue. So cool. So that, oh, it's green. So I have this green jelly slime. That is clicky slime. Like, are always like, we still have a whole another package, so. No. That's what I don't like about all of this like jelly slime. Very clicky, guys. Can you hear that? I gotta get all of it out. Because I always do the slime before the bath bomb. Oh. Wait, what does it smell like? Oh my gosh, guys, it smells so good. Here, smell it. Smell that. I wish you could like smell it through your phone, tablet, computer, whatever you're watching this on, iPod. Okay, we're getting it out now. This is going to go great. Guys, I would really like some fan mail. I know you don't know my address, but just like read on the note, Cloud Squad YouTuber. I don't know if it will come to me, but at least you know what my YouTube channel is named. You know what? Oh, I got some out. Okay. Look at that guy. It smells so good. Let's do a full-on clicky nut. Okay. So guys, here's the slime. That's pretty good, I mean. Okay, so now I'm going to get a bowl and we can do our bath bomb. Okay, I just need to get this. I really want to keep this like that, but I want to do the bath bomb too. Oh, look at that, guys. It's so glittery. Let's see what color is on. It's green! Oh my gosh. Yay. It's so cool, guys. Like, look at that. Guys, last night I watched a very, very cool movie with my mom. We rented it at Walmart. And And so, you want to know what that movie was? It was Dora and the Lost City of Gold. That was actually a pretty good movie. I slept through almost all of it, so didn't really get to see that. Okay, guys, let's see if this helps or doesn't help. I'm gonna. Let's see. Oh, so cool. Guys, look at that. Let's mix that. I think it's the same. But guys, here's a hack. If your slime is not stretchy and not clicky, here's a hack. Put it in some cold water, then put it in the microwave for like 30 to 20 seconds. That helps. Or like fried. I don't, fried, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bowl. I'm gonna get a bowl. One that will contain it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put the slime, I'll put it on the counter. Okay, guys, I'm going to fill this up with water. Sorry guys, this is taking a minute. Might take a while. Please don't click out of this video. I know it's kind of boring right now, but please don't. Okay, I think it's good. Down right here. Okay, guys, I'm about to put this bath bomb in the water. But before I do, I have a challenge for you. 7-second subscribe challenge. Here you have 7 seconds to subscribe to this channel. Ready? Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give a thumbs up if you did that. Okay, I'm gonna put it in. So guys, I think I'm supposed to like squeeze it, maybe. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't want to drop the fan. Look at all that glitter. This could be like a stress reliever. Like, put it in a container. Oh my gosh. Guys, that is so cool. Look at that. I'm going to make a DIY stress reliever with this. I have to. I'm going to get like a little cup and a bowl and a lid to the bowl. Like, let's do this bowl. Got that. And then we need to find it. Here we go, I got it. Got this. And you gotta use a clear bowl if you want to do this. Okay, got it. Now I just gotta put the cap on it. That was amazing. So cool. The sand from the bath bomb. Oh my god. Okay, that is leaking. I don't think the stress reliever turned out so. Maybe it did. That's so cool, guys. So guys, I'm just gonna move this. Watch this, guys. It's like a stress reliever. That's gonna. Mom, will you come film me? Like, film me?
I'm watching a movie right now.
Can you pause it?
No?
How am I gonna do this? You guys need to see this. Here, I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. I'm gonna take this, pop socket down, and you guys can see me play with this. You guys hear that? Nice. So, guys, look at the sand. That's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna get a whole scoop of it. Oh my gosh, it's like so glittery. This is awesome. Okay, oh my gosh. This is amazing. I kind of want to add some of this sparkle to the slime. So let's just. I'm adding the glitter to the slime. Okay guys, so I added some of the sparkle to the slime. Now that's really pretty. I have to fix this. I need to fix this. I do not like this. That was a mistake of adding the glitter. So guys, I put this slime in there. seconds. Okay, so guys, I am going to show you. Okay, stop. I think it was in there for a pretty good amount of time. Okay, let's show you. Okay, way better. Much better. See your cookie. Let's make a slime ball, but we need to. Dang, we can't look. Nope. Let's go show my mom. Mom, feel the slime.
Don't have me on video.
I don't.
No.
Just your voice.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this. Maybe like just a little bit more. Maybe that. I mean, it can get better, right? Sorry, guys. Oh. I don't know what happened. Okay. Guys, look at that. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, ding, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.